Hello everybody, I'm here with a different type of video today. It's sort of tech related, but it's Lego's Technics sets, pre-built, which I've ordered from eBay, and I'm here with my daughter Amber, who's also got a YouTube channel. Say hello, Amber.
Hello.
And we'll be putting a link up in the description and also a card up the top. So if you want to have a look at that, or you've got kids who might be interested, you can have a look and get them to subscribe to her as well. So do you want to open this, Amber, or shall I open this?
You can do it.
You want me to do it? Okay. It's proper packaging, proper paper, wrapped up in paper like old-fashioned parcels used to be. So should we just rip it?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry to everyone, it's probably really loud. I'm going to have to edit this bit out because it's got an address on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'll teach him to blur it, okay?
Are you going to teach me to blur it?
Yes.
Well, what I'm doing is I'm just going to edit out the picture and leave the sound on, probably.
You know how to cut things out.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you do it?
Well, I've never done it, but I know how to.
You know how to, yeah? Have you done it at school?
No, we've never done YouTube stuff at school.
Because I use a separate video editor. Right, okay, so I'm going to edit. I'm going to leave some of the sound in for that. What's that? G.I. Joe's Dino Riders. Well, that's definitely not what's in the box. We've got a sender there, so I'll have to figure out how to blur that out.
I'll show you. I know
You know how to blur it?
Yeah, it's simple. It's one of the easiest things.
Okay, let's get ourselves sorted out.
Just press the blur and then don't press the face blur, or it will blur any face that shows up.
So, excellent. Now we've covered up all the addresses and names and everything on the inside box. We're just going to open the box up. Oh, there we go. It's going to be a long, boring video of me slicing bits of finger off.
Yankee!
Oh my god, there's more tape on it. Are we ready?
Why don't you just pause the film?
Oh, it's alright, I can edit it out afterwards. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, a bit of paper.
I've never seen that before.
Oh, more paper and cardboard all wrapped up nice and neatly. Ooh,
Bubble
two here.
Ooh, hello.
Let's move this out to one side. Can you pop that box on the floor?
Huh?
Pop that box on the floor.
Okay.
Thank you. Go on in, Amber.
Got it.
Oh no, it's not Lego. It's a Walkman. I thought it was Lego. This is my other order. It's a bit cranky. Oh, it's not so interesting, is it, Amber?
Do you want to redo this video?
Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do now. We're still rolling though, so see what's in there.
Okay.
I ordered 3 things, and I thought it was this Lego's Technics set, but it's not.
The other one was.
That must be still in the post. There you go, pop it close to the centre shot there. That's it.
Yeah. Why is there so much bubble wrap?
Just keep it safe. Yeah, I have 2 scissors.
I've got it.
Got it? Look at the state of that.
Ooh.
Yeah, I didn't really want this part, but it came as part of the package, so I might be doing a video for cleaning that up. Really just basic old calculator. So
What's in here?
Have a guess what that might be.
Lego?
Gentle with it.
Mini disc player?
A mini display, yeah.
That's very loud.
Oh, look at the state of that. That's a sharp one. I had a sharp one which was broken once, but I never had a new sharp one. But that's horrible. But I think I've got this lot. What I wanted, my other cassette player had broken, and I just wanted this cassette player. The band had fallen off the other one, but I've actually replaced that. So I just ordered this cassette Walkman. It's got a radio on it. It's a really basic one. And I think the whole lot came to about £10 or £12, including the mini disc player. So let's have a look in here and see if we can see any corrosion. Look at that, clean little whistle. Should we see if we can find a battery for that? Plug it in, see if it works, eh?
Can I put the bubble wrap?
Yeah, the bubble wrap.
Yeah. I'm addicted to popping rubber wrap. Oh, that's not loud, is it? I thought that might be Lego.
Well, that's going to need a clean. Look at the state of that. Oh, let's find a mini disc. Should have a few laying around.
You got one literally laying right there.
Hopefully there's a lid in my box.
Hello world.
That does not sound right, does it?
Sounds like someone hip tapping over and over again.
Oh yeah, you can see the motor moving now.
Oh,
that is not working, that is faulty.
So, about those Legos, do you want to do another video about that?
Yeah, we'll do another video with the Lego another time. Oh, something, it's definitely not right, that has had it. It was a job lot, so, and I didn't buy it for this. I think that might just end up being recycled. Anyway, say thanks for watching, Amber.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, see you soon, bye.
Bye.
Don't forget, check out her channel. Kids like it.